Good morning, my name is Akshit. I have prepared torchlight model. If I on it, the LED red will glow. The components are used tag switch and battery and LED red. Thank you.
What is the connection, series or parallel?
Series.
Okay.
Good morning, my name is Akshit. I have prepared a aeroplane model. When I on this, the fan will rotate. When I off this fan will off. These two lights are used. These two lights are used for landing.
On it again. On it again. Okay. So what are the components you have used?
I have used DC motor, 3V battery. Good morning, friends. My name is Akshit. I have prepared a windmill model. I have generated electricity without battery. When the air comes, the LED red will glow. The components are used are DC motor, LED red. Thank you. Good morning, friends. My name is Akshit. I have prepared a simple vacuum cleaner model. When I on the switch, the dust will go inside. When I off the switch, the fan DC motor will off. The components are used are DC motor, slide switch, and 9 volts battery.